Hi, I want to talk a bit about our SDM computing device portfolio. We have here on the left side, we have the latest Raspberry Pi compute module in SDM form factor. We have also something new, BrightSign player, where Ben will later talk a little bit about. And then we have here on the top side, we have Intel SDM based computing devices. So yeah, Ben, what can you tell us about this BrightSign player?
Yeah, no problem. So we saw a very good opportunity partnering with BrightSign. BrightSign obviously is known for very high reliable content playback through their media players. And what they have is they have a line of SoCs that they use, the XS156 and the HS145. And what we did was we kind of married that idea in with our SDM modularity that we utilize on a number of our large format screens here, like our M series right here or our P series above. And so what we've done is we've created this BrightSign board now that utilizes the SoC, either of the flavors of SoC, and it's fully functional through the display. And so audio, video, power, and then there's an internal UART connection on here as well that allows for control capabilities. You see there's GPIO in here too, so there's some programming that can be done if necessary. This is the first time we're showing this. And so it's quite exciting for us. We see a lot of opportunity here, and our goal is to have this released in Q2 of this year. Yep.
So a question on this, you just mentioned it's compatible with our M series and P series. So is it also backwards compatible with our displays?
Yeah, well, yeah. Our current, I guess I should clarify. I was talking about our current M2s and our P6s, but also our last iteration of displays as well. The ME1s, the M1s also had this compatibility, and the P5s actually also had the SDM compatibility. So if there's a situation where a customer wants to utilize the BrightSign hardware, but they don't want to mess around with all the additional cabling and everything necessary for running additional power, running additional LAN cabling, you can really minimize that front-end capital expense because you can essentially cut that in half now by running one LAN cable and one power cable, just as we have planned for modularity with SDM throughout the years.
Yeah, cool. I mean, in general, this is the story around our modular computing strategy. Our displays, they last really for a very, very long time because it's Japanese, well-trusted quality. They last for forever, 5, 6, 7 years. So with these options, you can easily upgrade to the computing level that you require with your applications.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah, and then additionally, one thing I didn't mention is that I said opportunity when it comes to having sort of partnering with BrightSign. With this, you get BrightOS on each unit, but we can also take advantage of the entire BrightSign ecosystem now too, which they have compatibility with so many different CMSs out there, and people, really understand how that workflow works when working with BrightSign. And so what we're doing is we're offering this solution now integrated through SDM. And I think the beauty of SDM too also has to do with potential replacement, right? Instead of having to take an entire screen down because something is built into the monitor, right? You can either replace the monitor or you can replace the BrightSign module if something were to happen. So it really adds a lot of more flexibility to our products, and I think it's really going to be a great solution for us moving forward.
Cool. Thanks, Ben.
Yeah.
Thanks for that.
Thank you.
Thanks for the insight in that. Thank you.
Thank you.